So in my previous class, uh, we have done exercise 4D of RS Agarwal math book, and I have provided you some solutions of this math book, exercise 4D. And now, actually, I see that all of you have not doing your homework. Please complete it till the school reopens. Please, it's my request that you should complete it. Okay. Now, after that, this is the answer is given here. Now, after that, I suggest you to go through the CCE question. Okay, CCE question here. CCE question. All the questions are given here, and duly the answers are already given. Also given. Okay, the answer, if you can see in the last page or in your book, the answers are already also given. Now I suggest you to go through the answers. Okay, at this lockdown process, I suggest you to go through the answers, because it's not possible to me that we should do all the answers from the CCE question paper, because various types of question and lot more questions are given here. Now that question which you are not understanding, you ask me over here. Okay, next. So that's it for this chapter, that is lines, angles. Next, so we should move our geometry for the next chapter, that is our next chapter. These are the solutions given here. Okay, these are the solutions. These are the solutions given here. I suggest you to go through the solutions. Okay, I suggest you strictly go through the solutions. No problem with that. Now if you have any problem, then you ask me after schools reopen. Okay, now after that, various types of solutions given here, produced here. Now after that, I will start this exercise, that is congruence of triangle, and inequalities in a triangle. Okay, congruence of triangle and inequality of triangle. Now congruent, you already know about that. What is congruent? This is the congruent figure. Okay, if two figures look identical, and that figures are called congruent figure. Similarly, triangles are also congruent. Okay, triangles are also congruent, and you know about the congruent sign. This is the sign of congruency. Okay, ABC congruent to DEF. Now congruence, here some criteria that you have already read about that is SAS criteria, side angle side criteria. Next, ASA criteria, angle side angle criteria. These are given in your book as theorem. This is given as theorem. So I suggest you to complete the theorem first. Theorem is given in your book also. Now you first complete all the theorem is given here. Try to complete all the theorem is given here. Next, this is RHS criteria, RHS congruence criteria. Okay, and this is my theorem 6. This is SAS criteria, side criteria. This is my theorem 5. Next, equiangular triangle. The definition is given here. Okay, no need about to tell that. Now some important result, that is here given some important results. Some a result is given here, the result 1, result 2, and you should read that result also. Okay, result 5, result 1. Next, go through solved examples. Solved examples is given here. So first you read the read it carefully, the triangles chapter. Okay, next to the congruence criteria and proof of the congruence criteria, go through. Next you have to start some important result. The results is produced here. Next, go through the example that is given here. Now one thing you have to mention, that in this chapter, if you have not understand the result of the triangles or the criteria, that is angle side angle, side angle side, the criteria, if you are unable to understand, then you cannot solve the question paper of this chapter, this exercise. Clear? So for that you have to first read the chapter carefully. Okay, so you first complete the CCE question paper of the previous chapter. After that you go through this chapter. Now I will provide you some solutions from this chapter. After you read this, you understand this. Okay, you should message me that okay sir, we will understand, we have no process on the theorem or on the result, okay, or on the proof of ASS criteria, SAS criteria. If you give the response, then I tell you the solution of your exercise. There are various examples are given, various types of examples. I suggest you not to left anyone. You just go through all the examples is given here. Okay, go through all the examples. It's my suggestion. Please follow it, please. Next, if you completed it, if you have able to complete, then you should respond me that yes sir, I have completed, I have understand all the things. Then I will start this exercise related to triangle AX 5A. Okay, now those boys who has able to understand all the theorems is given here, all the results is given here, and all the examples is given here, they should suggested to start the exercise 5A. Otherwise, other boys who has not able to understand, they should understand the chapter first, because it's not so easy like previous. Okay, the things you are getting day by day, that will be critical day by day. Okay, so that's my humble suggestion, that you first understand all the things, you first remember all the things, then after that you should start exercise 5A. When you message me that yes sir, we are all understanding that, then I will provide you solution of exercise 5A. Okay, it should be possible in Monday I will provide you the solution. Okay, not for today, that's not problem. Okay, so that's it for today. You first read it carefully and listen what I am saying to you. Do you understand? Thank you.